What are you doing?
I'm trying to find the bee's knee so I can take a picture.
That's not how you do it.
How do you do it?
You go to Amazon or BarnesandNoble.com, buy the book, and then take a picture. Those are wasps, by the way.
Wasp! Ah!